Polestar 4. The new car is an all-electric, high-performance coupe SUV built on a large platform. The vehicle can reach 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.8 seconds and its cruising range can exceed 700 km. In terms of appearance, the Polestar 4 largely restores the Precept concept car. Its front face does not use the rectangular grille that was common in the previous series of Polestar cars and becomes more concise. The decoration extending to both sides has also been cancelled and the design of the entire front face has been brought closer to the Polestar 6. As an all-electric, high-performance coupe SUV, the body appears to use multiple aerodynamic designs, such as the sleek closed front panel, hidden door handles, airflow-optimized taillights and so on. The interior of the Polestar 4 is the same as most new energy vehicles today, other than a minimalist, single button. There are basically no other physical buttons on the central control. Of course, as a Volvo brand, there will definitely be some subtleties in Polestar's interiors. According to the official trailer, this inner set uses many new eco-friendly materials, including tailored customized from 100% recycled PET. It is worth noting that the Polestar 4 carpet uses ECONYL nylon material made from recycled fishing nets. Door strips are made from NFPP, natural fiber polypropylene, which is 40% lighter and uses half as much plastic. In terms of hardware, Polestar 4 is equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip to ensure smooth operation of the vehicle system. In terms of software, Polestar 4 supports Baidu Smart Voice, Gauda Map Navigation and Flyme Auto Core App Ecology. The domestic version also has a built-in Polestar virtual assistant, and users can experience a more personalized car experience according to predetermined scenarios. The dimensions of the Polestar 4 are between the Polestar 2 and the Polestar 3. Length, width and height are 4839/2139/1544 mm, wheelbase is 2999 mm. It belongs to the medium and large SUV category. If a passenger over 180 cm tall is seated, there is still plenty of room for the legs. Of course, the most surprising thing is the performance of the headroom of the second row. Although it is a coupe SUV, the designer has perfectly solved the problem of sliding of the back by cleverly stretching the glass awning behind the heads. Officially introduced at the Shanghai Auto Show, the price of Polestar 4 is 349,800 yuan, and considering its coupe SUV status, Polestar 4's biggest potential competitors in the future will be Neo EC6 and Avida 11. Polestar 4 has a more stylish and individual design style. It has greener interior materials and stronger acceleration performance.